In the dynamic world of business, change is the only constant. Companies that adapt and pivot during challenging times not only survive, but often thrive. Let's explore the essential elements that empower businesses to pivot successfully during tough times. First, authenticity is key. Staying true to core values builds trust and fosters loyalty among customers. Fearlessness is also crucial. Businesses must embrace bold decisions and navigate uncharted territories with confidence. Audience input and analysis play a significant role in ensuring a successful pivot. Listening to customers and analyzing their needs can guide impactful changes. Additionally, versatility within a workforce is vital, as employees who can adapt to new roles and challenges help businesses stay agile. Clearly defining the problem is another essential step. Identifying challenges early on paves the way for effective solutions. Businesses should also prioritize consumer health by ensuring their products and services promote well-being, building trust in the process. Embracing an anything is possible mindset fuels optimism, driving innovation and resilience. Continuous innovation is also necessary to remain relevant and competitive, as regularly updating offerings keeps customers engaged. Hiring adaptable people is another strategic move. A team comfortable with change ensures smoother transitions and better execution of new strategies. Effective communication is equally important. Transparent discussions among employees, management, and stakeholders help maintain alignment and collective progress. Aligning products and services with customer needs enhances satisfaction and loyalty, ensuring long-term success. Building anticipation for new developments is a powerful strategy. Creating excitement through marketing campaigns and teasers engages customers and increases interest. Strengthening the team through training, development, and team-building activities ensures that employees are equipped to handle change effectively. Performing a pre-mortem analysis allows businesses to anticipate potential risks before implementation, helping to minimize setbacks. Finally, considering the end goal is critical. Keeping the big picture in mind ensures that all pivot strategies align with long-term objectives, leading to meaningful and sustainable growth. By embracing these key elements, businesses can turn challenges into opportunities, ensuring resilience and success in any economic climate. A successful pivot is not just about reacting to challenges, but also about proactively identifying opportunities. Businesses that consistently monitor industry trends and emerging technologies can position themselves ahead of the curve. Market research and competitive analysis should be ongoing efforts, helping companies refine their strategies based on real-time insights rather than waiting for crises to force a change. Leadership also plays a pivotal role in guiding a business through transformation. Leaders must foster a culture of adaptability, encouraging employees to embrace change rather than resist it. When employees feel empowered and supported, they are more likely to contribute innovative ideas and remain committed to the company's evolution. Strong leadership ensures that transitions are executed smoothly and that employees remain engaged and motivated throughout the process. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on business growth and success. See you in the next one.